Hi, imagine a day where we are in a stage, we are opening our eye and we are in a stage and we have to communicate to so many people. The audience, there is thousands and thousands of audience are there. And we have been told that you are in a stage and tell something so that people will be influenced. And at that moment, what will be happen to you inside? I think the first thing what will be happen is getting nervous, getting stressed, getting anxious. What I'll do now? People are watching at me. But don't you think that this is not time to getting nervous? This is the opportunity. This is the biggest opportunity we have to influence this so much huge amount of people. If we able to influence that much amount of people, we can build a huge community. And we all know the community, the number of people, the community we can build, the network we can build can be converted into our net worth, can be converted into our earning of money. So can be converted into our power of authority. So how can we convert this stressful situation from to a opportunity situation? Situation is one, but we can make it a stressful, awkward situation. We can make it a very influencing and high energetic situations. What if the same situation is there in not we are replacing with Vivek Bindra or Sandeep Maheshwari? What if we will be replaced by Elon Musk or Bill Gates or Jeff Bezos or Steve Jobs? Then people will be enjoy the session. People will enjoy the presence. People will get powered. People will get energy from them. But why we are not making ourselves that much stronger? Why we are making ourselves weak? Why we are so much stressful and fearful for that situation where we can empower people, inspire people, influence people? The reason is we do not practice properly. The reason is we do not have good mentor. The reason is we may have good mentor, but we are not following our mentors. So the number of reasons are very high. There are too much reasons. Also, people can give too much excuses. People can say that this is not naturally coming to me. People can say that I am not good at influencing people. People can say that I am not good at communicating. People may say that I am not have a good voice. I do not have a good voice clarity. People not like to listen me. So there are so many excuses. There are so many reasons. So what should we do? Either we should stay with these problems or regions, or we should come out from that problems or regions and get a solution. And I strongly feel that we should go for a solution rather than stay into problems. So how to go out from these stressful problems or regions and excuses which are just resisting us, which are creating a barriers to go ahead from this is like a barrier. We have been inside from in the barrier and we're just unable to come out from that barrier and making ourselves a person like Vivek Bindra, Sandeep Maheshwari, Steve Jobs, and some persons we can give very powerful communication, which give a huge amount of influence to a larger audience. So one thing which I feel is not practicing, following good mentor and practicing. And how to practice? Practice daily. Daily practice. What I am doing is daily practicing. There will be too many mistakes, but keep aside that mistakes. Just doing daily practice, daily making videos, That is the key to getting the success. Then when that day come, we'll open our eye and we'll see that huge amount of audience is there and we're in a stage. Then we will be enjoy the stage. We will be enjoy that stage because we know that something can happen in that stage, and we can able to influence so many people. We can able to influence huge amount of audience. So it can be so successful, and it can be so influencing and powerful, and it will be help us to grow in a multiple ways, developing our personality, developing our network, developing trust, developing authority. It can be give a multiple of benefits, multiple types of benefits in respect of money, in respect of all other things. People will start trust you. Trust of people, trust of large audience, large number of people will really make you grow like anything. So why people are not doing that? Why most of the people are stuck? Most of the people do not like to stay in the spotlight. Is there they do not like spotlight? They do not like the stages, or something else? I feel the one thing people do not like that to register our resistance. There is a resistance inside with us who is resisting us to go beyond our comfort zone. Our resistance is stopping us to go beyond our comfort zone. So what we should do? We cannot beat our resistance in a single stroke. It cannot be done in just a six, playing a six. We have to do daily six, daily four, daily six. We have to play daily. By daily playing, by daily hitting sixes, our confidence will be rise and the resistance will be slowly disappear. So in one hitting six or one practice, one video will not help. Daily making video will help. It can be reasonable like Sachin Tendulkar and Vinod Kambli. We can take example. Vinod Kambli has played lots of good cricket. But why is not famous? Because he has not practiced for a longer time. He has not played. He has not sustained for a longer time. But Sachin has sustained for a longer time. So, for sustaining for a longer time, we have to practice for a longer time. We have to keep ourselves calm, composed, and in a learning mode, keep our resistance away from our growth. We should not let our resistance to stay ahead of our growth and become our barrier that most of people are doing. So try, practice, having mentor, this all will help. And for making videos, there is a good news is I am in the description box. I am giving some links of the video making tools that will help you to making videos, like some tripods. You need a mic, you need a tripod, you need some other lighting arrangement. You may need some screens if you need a background. So these all are available here. So click on the links and get the products and start making videos. That will help you to grow in your life. Daily practice improve our communication skills, and small improvements boost our confidence. Thanks for watching.